Welcome back to Liziloulovecraft, your cozy corner for crochet, creativity and a little touch of spooky. Today I've got something a little darker, a little more elegant and very exciting to share. I've been working on a Wednesday Addams inspired lace collar and cuffs. A little snoop of the little wig there as well. The design is very Victorian Gothic lace, perfect for Halloween and the dark academia look. I went with these cute little buckles that I found that literally just clip on the back rather than a button, but you could obviously just crochet a bit of extra lace trim there and make your own buttons. The pattern will be coming to my channel soon, and I'll be offering a limited amount of finished products once I get a moment. No, it would be nice in the comments if you could let me know if you'd wear it for Halloween or cosplay, or it just fits your everyday style. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And